Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon. So let's welcome to my channel again. Ismail Junior, or sometimes people call me Mr. Is. And now I want to deliver or present about the easy English basic. Why? Because many people request me to give them how to speak English from the basic. Jadi banyak yang meminta bagaimana sih kalau kita belajar bahasa Inggris mulai dari dasar. Because why many happens around Makassar and Goa, banyak yang terjadi di Makassar dan Goa. I ask them, saya tanya mereka with a simple question. Saya tanya, what is your nickname? And then they answer, dan mereka menjawab, apa njok? So I think it is funny, but actually the answer is so easy. What is your nickname? Then you can answer, my nickname is, example, Baco. Jadi untuk kali ini I will explain about how to introduce yourself, and only in 3 hours you can already master about that. Jadi hanya dalam 3 jam Anda sudah bisa berbahasa Inggris dengan perkenalan diri. But you have to memorize and pronounce well. Anda harus menghafal dan mengucapkannya dengan bagus. Okay? Let's go to the material. So let's get started. So this is introduction, berarti artinya perkenalan. And then after that Anda harus mengucapkan yang namanya salam. Dalam bahasa Inggrisnya itu greeting. Now repeat after me. Good afternoon. Repeat again, ulangi lagi. Good afternoon. Tapi kalau dibaca dengan cepat begini, good afternoon. Oke? Artinya ini, selamat siang. Nah, kita pindah ke yang kedua. Bagaimana cara membuka perkenalan kita? Baca ini. I will introduce myself. Coba lihat artinya. Saya akan memperkenalkan diriku. Nah, bagaimana membacanya dengan bagus? Listen to me carefully. I will introduce myself. And then after that, number 3. Anda langsung ke nama lengkap Anda. Anda bilang, my full name is. Karena nama saya adalah Ismail, makanya saya tulis Ismail. Yang artinya nama lengkap saya adalah Ismail. Nah, yang kemudian nomor 4 adalah my nickname is Mr. Is. Repeat, ulangi. My nickname is Mr. Is. Nah, artinya nama panggilan saya adalah Mr. Is. Do not forget bahwa my nickname itu adalah nama panggilan. Oke? Dan yang kelima adalah I live in Taeng, Goa. Artinya saya tinggal di Taeng. Repeat. I live in Taeng, Goa. And then next, number 6. I come from Bulukumba. Artinya saya berasal dari Bulukumba. Now, repeat after me. I come from Bulukumba. Jadi di sini banyak orang biasa menempatkan I come from in. No, you don't have to put there in, on, or etc. But you only say I come from and the place. Okay. Next, number 7. My hobby is playing guitar. Jadi hobiku adalah main gitar. Bagaimana pengucapannya? How to pronounce it? Listen. My hobby is playing guitar. Okay? Next. Umurnya. Di sini saya tidak pasang dengan umurku yang sesungguhnya. I don't put here the real age. Okay? I am 17 years old. Cara bacanya, repeat again, ulangi lagi. I am 17 years old. Artinya saya berumur 17 tahun. Nah, kemudian I have 3 sisters, but I don't have brothers. Apa sih artinya? Saya punya 3 saudara perempuan, tapi saya tidak punya saudara laki-laki. Repeat after me, guys. Okay? So, I want to tell you that English is habit. Jadi bahasa Inggris itu adalah kebiasaan. Repetition, pengulangan. So, listen to me. I have 3 sisters, but I don't have brothers. Well, we repeat again from the first. Good afternoon. I will introduce myself. My full name is Ismail. My nickname is Mr. Is. I live in Taeng Goa. I come from Bulukumba. My hobby is playing guitar. I am 17 years old. I have 3 sisters, but I don't have brothers. Now, I want to tell you guys that you cannot understand or you cannot speak English if you didn't memorize it or you don't comprehend it. Jadi Anda harus hafal dikit demi sedikit, little by little. So, let's go to practicing. Okay? Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now let's have practicing about introduction. Well, good afternoon. I will introduce myself. My full name is Ismail. My nickname is Mr. Is. I live in Taeng. I come from Bulukumba. My hobby is playing guitar. And I am 17 years old. But do not believe that. And then I have 3 sisters, but I don't have brothers. Jadi, seperti itulah caranya memperkenalkan diri. If you always repeat that, kalau Anda ulangi ini, only in 3 hours you can speak English with this introduction. Jadi hanya dalam 3 jam Anda bisa berbahasa Inggris dengan introduction. Okay, let's go to conversation. Bercakap sekarang. Okay, because I don't have partner, I will ask myself. Saya akan bertanya diriku sendiri. Okay, so I will ask and answer. Okay, okay. Well, so let's start. So ask and answer. Artinya tanya dan jawab. Example, what is your full name? So you can answer, my full name is blah blah blah. And then number 2, what is your nickname? Then you can answer, my nickname is blah blah blah. And then where do you live? And then you can answer, I live in blah blah blah. And then where do you come from? And then you answer, I come from blah blah blah. And then what is your hobby? And then you can answer, my hobby is blah blah blah. And then how old are you? I am blah 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 years old. I don't tell you the meaning because I have told you the meaning here. Saya sudah menjelaskan artinya di sini. Jadi saya tidak perlu mengartikannya lagi. So, now guys, let's go to practicing. Okay guys, now time to practicing. Okay, about the introduction. Example, I ask someone, what is your full name? And then I answer. Karena saya bertanya kepada diri saya sendiri, because I ask myself, then I can answer. My full name is Ismail. And then number 2, what is your nickname? I answer, saya jawab, my nickname is Mr. Is. Selanjutnya, and then where do you live? I live in Taeng. And then where do you come from? You answer, I come from Bulukumba. But you say where you come from. Anda menyebutkan tentang tempat dari mana asal Anda berada. Itu tadi adalah contoh saya. So example, where do you come from? I say I come from Bulukumba. Maybe you can say I come from Java or I come from Toraja. And then next, what is your hobby? My hobby is playing guitar. And then next, the last, how old are you? And then you answer, I am 17 years old. That's only example. But sometimes many people, when I ask them, how old are you? They answer, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so let's check it out my next video. Bye.